Did you press record? Yeah! What's up guys, it's me, Packy with the house, and today we have an Ebonite V1. This is the one remix. I'm gonna warm up, and then I'm gonna get to bowling one game, seeing how much I can shoot on this 40-foot flat pattern, and then I'm gonna compare it to a special sneak preview ball for tomorrow's ball video. And stay tuned to see if I like this thing at all. Please, please work, please. Hook, hook. Let me just make like a 2-in-1. Two-in-1, 2 steps, 1 move of the break point. All right, so we have a massive giveaway announcement. We're giving away a bowling ball for every single day the rest of the year. Once we hit 100,000 subscribers, so help us reach 100,000 subscribers. Click that subscribe button down below, and the second we get there, we'll give a bowling ball away every single day for the rest of the year. So however many bowling balls we give away, it's all up to you. So click that subscribe button, and let's get back to the video. Really good one. Yeah, 1 more 2-in-1. All right, so that was my first 3 frames with the one. You saw me playing a super deep angle with it. It actually has some continuation for it being that big asymmetric ball that you see. It has some polish out the factory. It comes at, somebody tell me what it comes at. A factory compound finish, which means it does come with a little bit of shine on it, just not polish. Which means even though I'm playing really deep and these lanes have been heavily used, it's a 40-foot pattern and my ball is skating through that middle part of the lane pretty good. As I move deeper and deeper throughout this game, it'll still have some hitting power on the back end, and it'll still corner down lanes. So I'm gonna move another 2-in-1 and we'll see what these next 3 frames have in store for us. All right, another 2-in-1 here. Maybe a slightly slower speed because the last one went a little bit light. Ooh. Maybe I didn't need this low speed. Instead of moving another 2-in-1 here, I'm just going to up the speed a little bit. Speed, maybe even a little more speed. Oh, that's so far right. No! Held on. We are off to a pretty good start. That first one where I moved an extra 2-in-1, you saw it really grabbed in the middle of the lane. And then I upped the speed up a little more to a normal speed for me, a little faster, and you saw that 8-pin got out of there and I went back-to-back high flush shots. So I'm gonna finish this game out. I got 3 more frames, and then I'm gonna move another 2-in-1 and hopefully continue to make that shape down lane that you saw in those last couple where it went super high flush. So far the 1, check mark in my book. Continuing with that 2-in-1, a little deeper. Left on that one too. Oh, that's so bad. All right, so we're through 9 now. Those last 3 frames were all strikes. You saw that extra 2-in-1 gave me a little misroom left, gave me a little misroom right. And this ball is just making an unbelievable shape on the lane. It's got some clearance through the front part of the lane. A lot of times when I play that deep with an asymmetrical bowling ball, it doesn't really get through the front part of the lane. It makes me play deeper than I should or deeper than I want to, and it doesn't clear the front part of the lane where it hooks early and goes through the face, and then I try and rotate it and it never hooks. For right now, this ball's making an unbelievable shape on the lane. I got 260 left in the 10th, and I'm gonna make another 2-in-1 just for you guys, just hopefully to show you guys that this ball, it doesn't matter how far right I get, it's still gonna hook and it's still gonna clear the front part of the lane. So hopefully it does that here for you guys in the 10th, and I didn't just, I didn't just lie to you. Yo! Come on, one more. What size finger grips we got? Oh, needed it to like lean over a little bit. Oh, how's that not bounce back out of the gutter? This is how my spare shooting looks like right here. We're gonna pretend I made that 7-pin for 257 with the 1. That was my first game with it. I think so far it's definitely gonna be a piece I bring in my bag. A lot of times I talk sport shot or house shot bag. I'm bringing it on both for sure. It's got that cleaner cover stock where I can use it on a lot of house shots and it retains energy, and I can throw it a little firmer close to the friction. But it also, as you saw on this 40-foot flat-ish pattern, on this 40-foot pattern that's pretty flat out there, it gave me plenty of miss room as I moved deeper and deeper on the lane where I still had some hold. And even when I played really where I shouldn't, which was that last spot, it still tried to kick down lane. And I think if I threw it at a slower speed, it definitely would have. But that was my review of the 1. It is definitely the one that you should buy because that ball is unbelievable. So let's not talk about that spare. And I'll catch you guys on the next one after you guys buy this ball. Peace. So from right there, I'm assuming the one's gonna push through that first like middle part of the lane where the CUDA hooked at, just because of the surface on it. It might not have as much kick down lane, but it's gonna skate through the front and be a smoother overall shape than that CUDA. Hopefully, I do a good job demonstrating that right now. So as you guys saw, it definitely skid through that part of the lane where the CUDA hooked at, but it didn't have that real continuation or that like harder change of direction that the CUDA did have. All right, so that was just a sneak preview to this CUDA brand new bowling ball from the Columbia 300 line, and this one you will see on Saturday, tomorrow's ball video, where we review this ball and compare it to one of my favorite balls in my bag, the Track Stealth. So catch us on tomorrow's video, and until then, peace.